Ayan. Tapos na po tayong maglinis. So, we'll do our skincare. Kala mo talaga may skincare everyday. Pag sinisipag lang. Okay, wait lang. I'll put you guys here so you can see me. May nireplyan lang ako. Okay, so skincare routine. This one is suggested ng ating madam. Ang ating gagamitin for today. Yeah. So, this one is Hyaluron. Hyaluron. Tadang! Mag-focus ka. Here. Yan. Ayan siya. Ito ay recommended ng ating Madam Crystal. I don't have clip. My bangs is showing. So, let's put some drops on our palm. And then, we rub. And then, we pat. We pat it there like that. At dahil feeling ko kulang siya sa lapad ng noo ko, let's put some more. Like that. And then, we rub again. And then, like that. And then, sa ating neck area. Kasi, if we don't put products on our neck area, dyan daw mag-start mag-show ang wrinkles. And we're done! Char. Let it soak. Ibabad muna natin siya for 15 minutes. And then, pero kung inaantok na, matulog na kagad. Tapos nun, ito naman. Focus here. Ayan. Yung isa, parang water type siya. Ito parang lotion type. So, hintayin lang natin yan mag-settle sa balat ko. And then, we'll apply it later. Okay na. So, na-absorb na naman ata siya ng mukha ko. 10 minutes have passed. Nalaglag. 10 minutes have passed already. So, let's apply the lotion. Yung bangs ko kakailang It's getting sa face kasi. Oh. Taray ng lighting nila here. Kasi meron silang 3 bumbilya. So, ganyan sila kaliwanag. Ganun lang ako. Basta-basta lagay. Nakita ko lang to sa TikTok kanina. So, I'm trying na gawin. Kaya lang parang wala siya effect sa akin. So, just going to wash my hands. And I'm going to sleep now. So, yeah. Can you hear that? Malapit kasi kayo sa faucet. So, ayun. That ends our day. We're going to sleep na. Bye! See you tomorrow. Hopefully.